Hi guys, if you have AZT and you're having problem not touching, this is what to do. If you have a case, take off the case. You want to remove the back cover. You want to take out the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds. In so doing, you can take out the battery and you can hold down the power button. So doing this will actually drain the motherboard. Then you want to put back in the battery, put back on the back cover. You want to turn on the device. And this is if your phone didn't get any squeeze or any cracks, because if there's any physical damage, it can cause permanent problem to your touch. So if it is a case where it's just frozen or you can't touch the screen, you want to take the battery out. For phones that you can't take the battery out, if it happens that you have a different ZTE model or phone, you want to hold the volume down and the power button. I'll demonstrate. As you can see, the phone is touching. We are able to navigate the device. Everything is touching, everything is working. If you have the different ZTE, this is what you want to do. You want to hold on the volume down and the power button. And you want to keep holding until you feel a vibration or something. So just keep holding, volume down, power button, keep holding. Release the volume down and apply the power button. Sometimes it may take a while, but keep holding, and there you can see the phone is turning on. So these are the options in which you can use to fix those problems where your screen not touching. So I hope that this was helpful guys. Do like, share and subscribe.